Knowing enlightenment. Modes of nature, passion.
Modes of nature, passion mode. In the mode of passion, it is generally characterized by the fantasy created by the mind to satisfy intense sense gratification. Sense gratification triggers a lot of things to gratify your senses. For example, for attracting the opposite sex, one starts to put effort to get more material things like money and assets, which can attract the opposite sex. Hence, it triggers a list of things and they remain focused on it. These activities bind the person to its fruit. If the result is not achieved, they become miserable. Also, it has to be noted the mind generates a varied amount of mode of passion in a person. So the person behaves accordingly in a certain manner